Hello guys, so this is what we are building today. EMA and RSI combined in one point script indicator, and I'm using Claude AI to do all the heavy lifting. So let's build it from the scratch. To start, we have to open the EMA indicator. So I'll write exponential. So here it is. I'm gonna put both the indicators on the chart. RSI. So here it is, the relative strength index. So how this will work is that I'm gonna put the source code of both the indicators into one newly made Pine script, and then I'll be using the Claude AI to combine the both indicators into one script, and then we are gonna run it and see if it gets to any point or it gives any error, and we are gonna fix that. So first of all, in order to get the source code of the moving average, we are gonna press on this curly bracket and the Pine script will open. So I'm gonna copy the source code, make a new indicator. So create new indicator. So this is a blank script, okay? So this is a brand new Pine script, and I'm gonna paste the indicator over here. Change the title of the indicator to what we are gonna make now. So I'll name it EMA plus RSI indicator. For the short title, I'll just rename it to EMA plus RSI. Short title is something that you will see on the chart on the left side or the bottom pane, depending on where the indicator is being overlaid. So I'm going to save it and add to the chart. So now once added, you will see the moving average indicator that we just created, and we're going to remove the original indicator from our chart. So we are going to open the source code of the RSI, select all. I'm going to copy that, open the previously made indicator that we just created. I'm gonna add the RSI code beneath the EMA code, paste it. So I'm gonna save it. Let's see. So I'm gonna get a lot of errors. So you can see that. Okay, so it's gonna be really hard for me to manually fix each error. So let's remove the previous RSI indicator. Now here's where the real fun starts. So I'm gonna copy the complete code that we just created. It's a combination of the EMA and the RSI code. I'm gonna go to the Claude AI. I'll paste the code, and then so now I'm gonna prompt the Claude AI. Hey Claude, so this is a combination of the EMA and the RSI indicator. Now I want you to combine the indicators so that the RSI indicator is in the pane below. The overall overlay of the indicator is set to false, and the EMA is forced overlay on the main chart. Rewrite the complete code without any errors. So now this is the prompt. This is just what I spoke into the Claude AI without any proper prompt. It's just like your normal day language that I have used. Let's see what it's gonna create. So the Claude AI is working now. Now once the Claude is done working, I'm going to copy the code, go back to the TradingView, remove the previous code and paste the new one. Now we have to see if it has got any errors or if the code that Claude AI just made is correct. So now as we can see that the RSI indicator is not a visual at all. Let's fix that. Okay, so let me see if the RSI is being plotted. Yes, you see this at the bottom, the RSI is being plotted at the bottom of the chart. The reason behind is that previously the overlay was set to true, but now the overlay is set to false, and once we updated the indicator, it cannot itself actually shift the pane until and unless you remove the indicator and reapply it to the chart. Okay, so now I'm going to reapply the indicator and we'll see. And here you go, the RSI indicator is at the bottom, the EMA indicator is being forced overlay on the chart, and I'm going to show that to you as well. So once the overlay is set to false, the indicator will actually appear at the bottom of the chart. So the indicators that you see like MACD and RSI, their overlay for the indicator is set to false. Once the overlay is set to true, the indicator actually appears on top of the price chart. And what we said in the prompt was that force overlay the EMA indicator. Now I'm going to go to the line where the EMA is being plotted. So here you can see the EMA line is being plotted in blue color, and here's what you see on the left side. And this is the thing that I was talking about. So we have forced overlay the EMA on top of the price chart. The RSI is being plotted at the bottom, and the EMA is being forced overlay on the price chart itself. So yes, so this is how we combine two indicators. So I just copied and pasted both the codes in one script, gave it to Claude AI, pasted the code, pasted the output, ran it, and debugged any error that we just got. So it's a game of going forward and backwards, but the Claude AI is smart enough to fix any errors that you get in your day-to-day coding. So I hope you liked the video, and let me know what indicator should I be combining in the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next one.